Hello everyone, how are you all? A warm welcome to a new session. You all have, I hope you must have enjoyed the vacation. But vacation due to COVID, you must be at home only. Now you all are passed and promoted to standard 4th. You are studying in standard 3rd. Now new session has started and you have passed and promoted to standard 4th. We are going to learn a new poem about a small child who gets up early in the morning, and while he gets up early in the morning he wants each and everyone should play with him, so he is inviting everyone to play with him. Now we'll read the poem and we will start reading the poem. What is the name of the poem? Wake up. What is the name of the poem? Wake up. He says, wake up, it's a lovely day, oh please get up. The child is saying, wake up, means get up and you play because the day is very pretty and lovely. And he is again forcing because nobody is listening to him, so he is saying again, requesting, okay, please get up and come and play. And he is saying, if you will get up then only you'll come and play, you should not sleep so late in the morning. He is saying the birds are singing in the trees. What here the poet is saying? The poet is saying the birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. Now what is the meaning of buzzing bees? Honey bees, have you seen the picture of a honey bees? When honey bees collect honey, when the sound of the bees which are made by bee is called buzzing. We say no go go go, or we say hum, like that. All these sounds are made by the bees. So that is why the child is saying the buzzing bees. What does the child is saying? The buzzing bees. Now we'll go to the next page over here. Wow, now what do you see? You can see a small girl. What do you see? A small girl. You can see a sun also. You can see a bird, a horse. So many animals and birds are there. So many animals and birds are there. Here the child is, now there is another girl. Here the poet is sharing the feeling. Here the poet is saying the same thing. What does the poet say? Wake up, it's a lovely day. What? It is a lovely day, oh please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up you sleepy head. Here the poet is saying again the same thing what the poet said previously. The poet is saying wake up means get up. Now it is a morning time, you should not sleep so late. It is a good habit to sleep so late in the morning. No, you should not sleep so late in the morning. You should get up early. As soon as the sun rises, you should have a habit of getting up early. That is why here the poet is saying it's much too late to lie in the bed. Means it is very bad habit when it is early morning. When the morning sun rises, morning is there, so it's very bad habit to still lie in the bed. You should hurry up and you should get up. You should not sleep for longer time early in the morning. The next line is what? Wash and dress. Here the girl is saying when you get up in the morning, you should always have a habit of brushing the teeth, washing the face, having a bath, wear a new clothes and then sit for a breakfast. So the poet is saying wash and dress and come out. The poet is saying wash and dress and then come out. Everyone is up and about. What is everyone is up and about? Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horse, the duck and the sheep. Here the poet is emphasizing it that everyone is up and about means what? Over here in the next stanza it is saying okay, the cow, the horse and the ducks and the sheep all have got up and all are out. The tiniest chicken, tiny means very small, smallest chicken, that chicken is also have got up and the chicken is making the sound and is saying wake up. What it is saying? Wake up. What it is saying? Wake up means get up. So the poem we have learned about the wake up. Now we'll go to the new words. What we are going to learn? New words. Lovely. What is this? Lovely means very pretty. Buzzing. Buzzing means, I told you, just the sound of the bees. Sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means sleeping very late. Sleepyhead means still sleeping early morning, not getting up. Sleepyhead means still sleeping late early morning and not getting it up early with others. And tiniest meaning is what? Smallest. Very tiny. Very smallest of all is the meaning of the tiniest. So now what is the work? You have to write this poem very well with good handwriting in your notebook. 2 times. How many times you will write? 2 times. Okay, this is your work. You have to write the poem 2 times in your notebook with good and neat handwriting. Thank you.